welcome to EdMask, the channel for education, learning, and development. Today I'm going to talk about top 5 leadership skills every teacher should have. Welcome to EdMask, the channel for education, learning, and development. Today I'm going to talk about top 5 leadership skills every teacher should have. Every successful school is built on great teachers, and great teachers are leaders. And great teachers are leaders are not just in the classroom, but in the entire community. Today I'm sharing top 5 leadership skills every teacher should have. Whether you are a new teacher or an experienced teacher planning to move into a school leadership, these skills will change how your students, how your parents and colleagues respond to you. Therefore, become a teacher, become a leader. I'm EdMask, the channel for education, learning and development, an education management and development professional. I create content for teachers and education leaders to grow into their career and make a bigger impact. If you're new here, subscribe for weekly education leadership skills. Number one for me is communication. Effective teachers communicate effectively, not just to the students, but with the parents and other teachers and administrators. Teacher can explain ideas and listen actively and give feedback without discouraging others. Good communication builds trust and also reduces classroom conflict. Therefore, as a teacher, you need to communicate, you need to provide clarity, but also you need to be a listening teacher. And then number 2 is looking at classroom management. Leadership begins with managing the class. A teacher who organizes learners, maintain discipline, and also create a positive environment becomes a leader in the school. Classroom management is not about being strict. It is about being consistent, fair, and predictable. Therefore, number 3, emotional intelligence. Teachers require empathy. Emotional intelligence helps you to understand students' behavior, manage stress, and respond calmly to the challenges. A teacher with emotional intelligence doesn't react with hunger. You respond with wisdom. Skill helps you to build a better relationship with your colleagues. Therefore, understand yourself, understand other colleagues, but also build calmness. Number 3 is problem solving. Every day brings challenges, struggling students, angry parents, but also a colleague who needs support. A lesson that didn't go as planned. A teacher, leaders, think critically, look at solutions, but also stay positive. Schools rely heavily on teachers who can solve problems instead of complaining about them. So every day brings new challenges, problem-solving skills, struggling students, hungry parents, but also colleagues who need support. A lesson which didn't go well, a lesson which didn't go as planned. Great teacher, leaders, think critically for solutions and stay positive. Schools rely heavily on teachers who can solve problems instead of complaining about them. Therefore, good teachers fix problems, not creating them. Then number 5 for me is teamwork and collaboration. No teacher succeeds alone. Strong leaders share ideas, help colleagues, and work as part of them. Whether planning lessons, organizing school events, but also supporting new teachers. Collaboration makes you stand out as a reliable leader. Therefore, leaders work with others, or teachers work with other teachers. As for me, for bonus tips and continuous learning, remember, the best teachers never stop learning. Take training, read, attend workshops, and keep upgrading your skills. The more you grow, the more leadership opportunities come your way. Thank you for listening. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.